Why is there a railroad crossing sign doing here? I don't know why it is there too. I think it's for a train. Yeah, I saw it this morning. What is that? Train! Well, that was strange. Hi, I'm H, and I'll be your no H is too late. Wait a sec. What? What? 4 takes 7. T over 5 CRRUS. Except the word entertainment. So CRRUS are now in the hospital. And train crew closed down the train company due to company rules reasons. So yeah. Are you okay? Yeah, I think. Yeah, we're ready. I think I'll be break my leg.